Okay, so one of the questions I often get asked is, can you show us some before progress on these videos of the cars that you do? All right, so let's check that out. This is a 1978 280Z. Just came back from the body shop. Finished in a beautiful green. This is a British racing green, which always looks good on these old Z cars. This car had a sunroof on it, which you can tell it no longer does. We had to put a new skin on that to get rid of the sunroof. The client didn't want that anymore. And we did some work in the rear end, clean up those body lines. It'll get nice European chrome bumpers on it, which we'll see later. But this is what they look like when we start. They're completely gutted, nothing at all on the inside, so you'll have a more appreciation of what this looks like when we're done with it. Every single part of the car gets gone through and rebuilt and restored. Of course, the engine bay is totally empty here. Nothing to see there but a blank slate. Our body shop does a great job of making sure all that gets color on it. Obviously, this is a color change car. This was never available in the 280Z. And notice here too, we rhino line the inside of the hood, which always is a nice touch. But this is what they look like. It'll get a front end air dam on it and some other decorative goodies as we get through this restoration. It'll take us, I don't know, a couple, 3 months maybe to put this all back together. Most of it is done. We just have the assembly time. So that's what they look like. And now you'll have an appreciation of exactly what they look like when we're all done. So this is it in its paint and body stage. Okay, thanks for watching.